Good morning from Linden Hill. So this morning I am one day out from our install. Our Belfast mini mill technician will arrive tomorrow. So we are kind of doing the last finish cleanup, organized stuff. So it's a little bit overcast day. We have lots of rain in the forecast, which we are thrilled about. I don't know if you can tell. Maybe I'll flip the camera around and we have a little bit of grass seed finally coming up where we've put the seed down. So we're really thankful for any rain and warmish weather. So I'm going to turn the camera around and give you a little bit of a tour of where we are so far. So coming in the front door, and I'm going to apologize in advance for my video skills. I'm using the gimbal that I don't use very often, and it's a little bit difficult. But so here's where we'll come into the studio. I think I've shown this a little bit before, and we've got just a lot of construction. Eventually, this will all be fitted out. We've got the bathroom started back here. It's a skirting table that'll get moved into the mill, but this will be, you know, eventually where I have my stock, where I have the loom, the wheels. Hopefully we'll have a knit group. So just getting that outfitted. And here's where we will go into the mill area proper. And along this wall, sort of my wet wall, I guess, if you will, we've got a washer and dryer for various and sundry things, right? Got a big sink that can use for pre-rinsing, dyeing, etc. Got a work table here, and then this is the Belfast washer. So we'll be getting that connected. I think that's one of the first activities that I will learn from the in the training. So that's the back door there. Looking into the mill proper, we've got some equipment here that will get spread out for install. That's the carder here, and it will be roughly in that area. That's its vacuum box. This is the fiber separator that will eventually go where the construction zone is. And then over here, we'll have the picker. So last night, we've just about finished the picker room. That's a piece that goes with the fiber separator. So we've got the picker room here. This will get cut out. That's where the fiber will go through. And then got this nice door here. And got some lights. So actually, let's see if I'll show you. Kind of cool lights. It has like a tooth process. But that's just the room that the fiber will go into once it's picked. Got some flooring in there, so super excited about that. And let's see, what have we got out this way? We have Sadie panting in the background. All right, so then out here, we've got the spinners. They're roughly where they will be set up. Draw frame will be here. It's over here at the moment. And then on this wall, we've got, this will be the skein winder. Let's see if I can, this will be the skein winder, hank twister, cone winder. And I've got these two really nice sets of shelves. These came out of an old pharmacy. Our electrician had them in his shop, and he said, hey, would you like those? And like, they're just perfect. The cones fit, the bobbins fit. So this is another piece. That's part of the picker. And then back here, so we've got our bay door and just some storage stuff. So my task today is to finish sorting the things that need to come off of there. We moved all of that from another wall yesterday. That was quite a chore. And all of those boxes are the fleeces that I've collected for my training. So I need to get those all up, and so you can see the inventory numbers so we can tell quickly what we're getting up to there. So that is what we're about today. So that is where we are today. Hopefully I will get all of that done. We've got a little more trim out to do in the picker room as well. And then we should be ready to get going first thing in the morning. So I'm going to try to do a little vlog, don't worry, on the other camera as we go, or maybe at least to kind of download each day to record a little bit about how we felt about the day and what we learned and what's going on. I think I've been warned it's an overwhelming 9 days of intense all the things. So trying to take a little bit easy today, but definitely have some cleanup and some stuff I got to get done. So anyway, we'll talk with y'all soon. Bye.